Damn guys, it looks so freaking good right now when the sun hitting. I want to show you guys the whole car, but I gotta first talk a little bit about what we did to it. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys can see, I'm trying to not show the backside so much, so you guys can see we got Ruby right here in the flesh, looking freaking amazing. Sun is hitting just right. I want to show you guys, I want to talk about it a little bit. But if you guys are new, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. I am posting finally. It's been a while. Got some new mods done to the car cosmetic wise, so that's why I had to come make a video and show you guys. And then this spot, it's a pretty nice spot right here. Made some videos before, sun is hitting, got the freeway coming in through, so don't mind the noise too much. But yeah, if you guys are into any car content, car installs, car vlogs, stuff like that, I really want to get back on the grind. And just been so busy with like my real estate business kind of going on right now, starting it up and stuff. And yeah, that's kind of what has been all my energy and source has been going to, because it used to be the YouTube channel and just having fun, had a lot more free time, and now it's kind of just on my grind. I will start off with the video now and just say, boys, we got a new freaking mod done to the car, and I want to show you guys. As you guys can see by the title, we got a new freaking spoiler and Wickerbill added, so it's a two-piece like little combo thing going on right there. Let me just freaking show you guys, because it just looks so damn good right now, and you guys got to see. So enjoy it. Let me give you guys a little walkthrough. Look at this right here. Oh my god, bro, look at this. Look at this freaking angle right here. Tell me that shit don't hit. Come on now. Look at that. That is freaking wicked, boys. That is wicked. It looks so damn good. But yes, we finally got a new mod on the car. I've been waiting to do this. Finally found the right wing that I wanted. You guys can see, bro, this thing is so aggressive. Like, it is so high. Everybody tells me like, dude, that wing is so damn aggressive. It's pretty obnoxious, not gonna lie. And yeah, I don't know, man. I could just stare at this forever. It just looks so damn freaking good. I want to tell you guys, break it down what type of wing this is, because you guys can see it does have a Wickerbill part, so this is not a whole one-piece type of wing. This one actually is the MMD V-series on American Muscle. If you guys go on American Muscle, you guys can find it right there, piece you want to get. And then you're going to go to ZL1ADDONS to get this Wickerbill extension. So you guys can see it has the bolts in there that go drilled into this. So this is a two-piece. This is not a one. This is two, so you got to pay for both. And guys, let me tell you, it is pretty freaking pricey, man. I mean, wings in general are pricey, but man, these things are pretty pricey. I think on American Muscle in gloss black, it's like $500, and then this is another $200. So guys, this is not a cheap wing by any means. I mean, what type of wing is cheap though? I would be concerned if you'd get a cheap wing as well. But yeah, I actually got this wing off one of my boys on Instagram. He plugged it. He gave me a really good deal, and then I bought the Wickerbill, obviously, off ZL1ADDONS, so it was not as expensive as probably some of you would pay. If you guys can find a cheaper way, hey man, do it. Freaking love it. But let me tell you something. Even before I had the Wickerbill, this wing looks so freaking good. This wing looks so damn good, just like that. I was honestly like, hey, you know what? If something goes bad, we could just freaking use this one and not use the Wickerbill. But I wanted to use the Wickerbill because, bro, look at this. Come on now. Look at that. Oh man. But yeah, funny story, guys. I did have an install video for you guys. I wanted to do an install video because there is literally no install videos on this wing. Only this part right here is the install part, but there's no actual Wickerbill video, and ZL1ADDONS doesn't have one either. So I was like, okay, you know what? Good idea. I get to install it on my car. I get to get a video, hit two birds, one stone, right? Perfect. No, so started the video, did everything good. It was going good at the beginning. I'm installing it with the boys. Bro, when we tell you this job was supposed to be at least, you know, 2 hours, and you guys know when working on cars, you guys be like, yeah, like it's gonna be a 2-hour job. This is gonna be like an hour job, whatever. Guys, this thing turned into a freaking 6-hour job. We didn't finish till 6 p.m. We started at 12. 6 hours was something should have just took us like 2. But this is literally how it goes. You have to go to the store back and forth, and we have to do that, get some tools, rivet guns. it was a headache. I was just done. I had no energy to film. The guys were helping me. We were all kind of just already like fed up with this, and it honestly was not hard at all. You just have to be super precise, not to go through obviously with the drill gun, because you are gonna have to drill into this wing, so be careful. And just have patience, man, because oh my god, we were all kind of already fed up. I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna record a video, even though I know I should have, so I could have helped you guys. But as long as you guys get this going, get the main piece on. This piece is literally just lining it up perfectly right here. All you got to do is just line it up and then just drill into that, get the rivet gun, and then, you know, squeeze it, whatever, pull it out. Literally straightforward. You just got to be super careful, guys, and please be freaking careful. Do not crack the freaking wing, because if you guys, and actually when you guys are actually installing this, you guys will be able to hear when you're actually going to puncture through this. So guys, please be careful. This wing is freaking pricey. But I was like, might as well make a follow-up video and see how it turned out. And it looks freaking aggressive, boys. I love it. I love how obnoxious it is. I love everything about it. All the boys like it. All the people at the car meets have told me they liked it. And man, it looks fucking good, to be honest. It looks good. Wheel gap's gotta go, but that'll come eventually. I know I've been saying that for the longest, and I keep getting cosmetic mods and I don't get lowering springs. Guys, I know, but we just gotta enjoy this right now. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know how long this video will be. Obviously, if it was for me, I'd probably record a whole drive-in part. Maybe I might do it later. I don't know if the guys are home. They could probably help me, and if not, I could obviously do the I want to do the outro under the gas lighting, just like I used to do in the older videos, and see how that ruby red is popping under the lights. But yeah, this is kind of just a nice little follow-up video, what's been done to the car so far. If you guys are kind of interested in getting this wing but don't know how it looks in person, because there was literally no pictures, I couldn't see no videos in person, and I was like, man, is this wing gonna look good? Kind of went off photos. I really liked how it looked off photos, but dude, in person it looks so damn freaking good. So that is a thumbs up. So don't even worry if you're kind of like, I don't know how it's gonna look in person, bro. It looks freaking good. I say you full send it. Like I said, sorry for not having the install video. We were all kind of just fed up. It was too much. It was dark super quick and we just couldn't do it. But yeah, I actually do got some more little stuff coming in. I don't know, man. I kind of want to have like an obnoxious kind of build, dude. Ever since I got this thing, I've always said it, I want to have an obnoxious build. Like, I want to have louvers. I want it to be low. I want it, you know, and I'm doing it little by little. And I think, you know, a lot of people might not gonna like it, but me personally, I've always wanted that obnoxious kind of look on the Mustang since I got it. So that's what I'm gonna freaking do. So, and I know some of you guys will like it, so it's all good, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go do the outro under the gas lighting, obviously at the end. I'm gonna probably go ball up right now with the guys, go play some soccer. Got some good business done today in the morning with real estate and stuff, so I got all that knocked out of the way. So now it's time to enjoy, make a little video for you guys, and go ball up. So yeah, I'll pick you guys up in a bit. Right now, just maybe enjoy a little montage of the car. No talking, nothing, just enjoy it.